Hi everyone, welcome to Mom Tuition channel. Today we are discussing about UKG English question paper. First, circle the vowels. Some word is given. Child have to circle the only vowels. Book. In book, O and O is vowel. House. O, U, E. Insect. I, E. Orange. O, A and E. Umbrella. U, E and A. Next, sort the given words and write in the space provided. Some word given here, child have to write same boxes. First word is can. It is an word. So, child have to write here can. Next, lad. AD word. L-A-D. Lad. Map. Map. M-A-P. Map. Next is dad. D-A-D. D-A-D. Dad. Next, tap. T-A-P. Tap. Man. Again an word. M-A-N. Man. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. Wag. W-A-G. Wag. Dam. D-A-M. Dam. Next, match to the correct picture. One side name is given and another side is picture is given. Child have to match the names to their picture. Bat. Sun. Log. Mug. Cat. Next, read and circle the UG words. Here some word is given, some word is given. Circle, child have to circle the ending with UG words. Can, bat, bug. This is UG word. Run, gum, sun, JUG, jug. Gun, nut, hug, HUG, hug. Mug, MUG, mug. Cub, rug, RUG, rug. Fun, bud. Next, write two words beginning with the following letters. Some letter is given. Child have to write beginning with given letter. First is K. K for king. K for kite. Next, P. P for pan. P for pen. Next, B. B for bat. B for ball. Next, A. A for apple and A for ant. Next, write two words for each. ACK words. ACK words. B-A-C-K. Back. L-A-C-K. Lack. Next, ED word. R-E-D. Red. F-E-D. F-E-D. Fat. Next, I-C-K word. T-I-C-K. Tick. N-I-C-K. Nick. Inward. T-I-N. Tin. F-I-N. Fin. O-C-K word. L-O-C-K, lock. M-O-C-K, mock, OG word. L-O-G, log. D-O-G, dog. Next, write correct sentence using this or that. Dash is a cat. This is a cat. Dash is a ball. Ball is here, so that is a ball. Dash is a flower. This is a flower. Dash is a tree. This is a tree. Dash is a bat.